This is my actual breakfast, friends. Hot chocolate with virgin coconut oil plus very delicious and nutritious waffles made up of different types of berries. Hello friends, my name is Sandra and you're watching Micro Moments. For today's video, we will be cooking simple but nutritious waffle with different types of berries, chia seeds, which is rich in magnesium and iron, oatmeal, and I'll be using Saft instead of sugar. Chia seeds is rich in magnesium and iron, so it's very good for the health of your whole family. We'll just wait for about 15 to 30 minutes. So chia seeds will be ready. After 15 minutes, check out chia seeds. It's already ready. Just put oatmeal in a bowl with water. It's not necessary that it's boiled water. Lukewarm water or tap water will do. We'll just wait for 5 minutes and it will be ready. Okay, we'll start blending now. We'll put the fruit, different types of berries, plus the chia seeds, and Saft. The oatmeal as well. Halfway blended ingredients, I'll add up coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use butter or vegetable oil instead of coconut oil, and then blend it together with the other ingredients. I'm transferring now the blended ingredients to the final container while I will add the flour. We'll warm up our waffle maker. It seems that our waffle maker is warmed up already, so we'll start now. ready. It means it's cooked. Oh, wow. So yummy. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. And this is how I eat my waffles. I'm still cooking my waffles. It's early in the morning here in Norway, and yes, the sun is up already. It's like that here. It is almost summertime. Sun rises so early. That's how I eat my waffles, friends. I love eating waffles while cooking. This is my fourth waffle now. This is very delicious and nutritious. Berry, as in made up of different types of berries. This is my actual breakfast, friends. Hot chocolate with virgin coconut oil plus very delicious and nutritious waffles made up of different types of berries. Come on, let's eat.